Hello everyone. Me, I am Mata Sita. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a puppet which is Dussehra special. Ravan plays a very important role in this festival. So why not make a Ravan? I have already taken a print of this template from the description link below. Take your paper and glue it on the card. Now evenly stick this paper I fold on this line and this line. And the other side. I need to fold these flaps 1, 2, 3 and 4. I already have a template here which I have drawn and kept, but I am going to draw it with you so that you know how it is drawn. Fold it like this so that you get an idea of how to draw the face. First we are going to draw the eyebrows. Take around 4 centimeters area from the top. We are going to make a tick mark sign here and a tick mark sign. Bring this tick mark sign a little down like this. Thicken the eyebrows. The next would be the moustache. Draw the lips, and I have drawn the lower lips also, matching with the ends. And I could also make 2 teeth to give it a demon look and continue making the moustache. Don't worry about these texts which are on top. You could just stick a paper here, or you could use an acrylic color for the lips so that this is hidden. The next I am going to take around again 3 to 4 centimeters and draw a straight line. You could make a necklace the way I've made it here. Make an armor. The next you will want to make something like this, which is his headgear or the crown. This is around 8 centimeters. The breadth is 10 centimeters. We take a black sketch pen and we outline the whole thing. So now I have done the mouth area. Next I'm going to concentrate on the face. My crown is ready. Now turn your puppet and from the mouth plate fold the two edges. Glue them. Stick the flaps. Repeat the same procedure for the bottom. As you can see, if I try to manipulate the Ravan here, it's very sloppy. I can't make him speak. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add two flaps here. And for that I'm going to use the leftovers from the card paper that I had used here and cut it into say around 1.5 centimeter thickness, and then cut this into two like this. Now for the top flap I'm going to use the measurement of my 4 fingers. So loosely take a measurement and fold the paper here. Similarly like this. Now glue this flap over here. Now take the other flap. This flap will be the size of your thumb because the thumb will be down. So again loosely measure. So say this much would be enough. This will take some time to stick, so be patient. Now as you can see, the flaps have dried up, and when I place my 4 fingers here and my thumb here, it becomes so easy to manipulate. Ha 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 ha! I am Lankapati Ravan. You could also try other characters like Mata Sita, Shri Ram, or everybody's favorite monkey god Hanumanji. I have shared all these designs in my description list below. Do have a look, try them, and happy Dussehra to you. Like, subscribe and comment.